What's it like to be free? Not have to answer to anyone, anybody but me. To run if I want to be totally me. I'm just turning on to.
What is it like to be free?
What is it like to be?
What is it like to be free?
What a difference I feel today.
Oh, what a difference I feel.
I'm not the person I was yesterday. I've shaken the boredom and cast off the rain that bar. Cleaned off the dust